Hey Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to disable ads in Windows 11. Now I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks, so be sure to watch until the end. So first thing we're going to do is disable ads in the start menu. First thing you want to do is choose the start menu, select settings, go to personalization, scroll down and select start. From here, you want to toggle off show recommended files and start recent files in File Explorer and items in jump list. Simply toggle this off. Now we're going to remove ads from the File Explorer. First thing you want to do is simply open up File Explorer. Choose the three dots on the top and select Options. This menu will pop up, so all you have to do is select the View tab and scroll down. And all you want to do is uncheck where it says Show Sync Provider Notifications. Choose Apply and OK. And once you finish with this, make sure you do restart your computer in order to see your changes. The next step we are going to do is disable tips and suggestions from Windows. So first thing you want to do is minimize this, go back to the settings, and go ahead and choose System. Scroll down and select Notifications. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and select Additional Settings. Now what you want to do from here is uncheck these two options, show the Windows welcome experience after updates and when signed in to show what's new and suggested. Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Toggle these two off, and now that's done. Now we are going to remove ads from the lock screen. First thing you want to do is stay on this page. All you have to do is select Personalization from the settings. Scroll down, select Lock Screen. Next to personalize your lock screen, go ahead and select Windows Spotlight and select Picture. Where it says Get Fun Fact, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen, go ahead and untoggle this option. Next, we are going to remove ads from the Settings app. So all you have to do is simply select Privacy and Security from the left side. Select Recommendations and Offers. And make all of your setting offers just like mine. So toggle this one off, keep this one on, toggle this off, keep this one on, turn this option off, and turn off Advertising ID. Next, we are going to remove personalized ads from the Microsoft Store. So now what you want to do is select the Start menu and select Microsoft Store. If it's not here, you can simply type it in the search bar. Once it opens up, simply select your profile on the top right and select Source Settings. Go ahead and turn off personalized experiences, so toggle this off. It's going to ask you to turn off personalized experiences. Go ahead and select Confirm and Restart Store. Now that's completed. Now we are going to remove ads from the Windows search. Go ahead and exit. Go ahead and choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Search. Toggle off the option which says Show Search Highlights. And that's gonna do it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment if you have any feedback, comments, or questions. Thanks for watching.